Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. And we all get emails that we don't want. They may show up in our inbox and we really don't want them. I'm going to show you how to automatically delete emails based on lots of criteria, especially when you don't want those emails. But before I do, hit that subscribe button, hit that notify button, because I create all of these videos specifically for you. You get them, right? You get emails from people or emails with topics that you know you're not going to read. And sometimes you get these emails from people that you want to stay connected to them. You don't want to block them. You don't want to mark them as spam. But when they send the emails with specific words, you know that you're not interested in those topics. So let me show you some examples of how you can get rid of emails automatically when they hit your inbox, so you don't need to worry about them. So look at that. While we're sitting here talking, I get an email about retirement planning. I'm not interested in retirement planning. If I'm going to have a conversation about my retirement, I'm going to reach out to somebody very specifically and ask them for help. Right now, I have no interest in emails about retirement planning. So here's how you deal with this. You click on the message, you look at it. You go up top and you say filter messages like these. And instead of putting from, you put the word retirement planning. And then you create a filter for that message. And then you say create filter. So now I have the ability to skip the inbox and archive it if I want to. Or if I want to, I can hit delete and delete it. One of these others. Now, I'm not going to mark it as read. I want to leave it marked as unread so that in the event I do traipse upon it again, I can see I haven't read it, and maybe if I want to, I'll create the desire or the interest to read it. But I'm either going to archive it or I'm going to delete it, one or the other. And so that it goes away. Leave it as unread. And then when I create this filter, now, any new messages that come in from anybody that have retirement planning ideas, it's automatically going to be deleted. Let me show you. Let me set up a scenario and show it to you. Now, I know that email just came into me, but it's not here. Let me hit refresh. It's not here. Where did it go? Because I set that rule up, it should be in my trash. And sure enough, there it is. Retirement planning ideas. It came in while we were talking. It's 1:54, and it went straight to trash. I recommend that if you're going to automatically delete any messages that come in, you can flag the email address and the text. But if you just flag the email address, you'll delete all the mail that comes in from that person. I recommend flag the text that's in the message that you know is totally irrelevant. Again, if you tag the individual, then you're going to delete all mail that comes from that individual. That may be the right thing to do, may not be, but be very deliberate about it so that you're clear about what's happening and you're not blindsided by a mistake. And furthermore, check your filter, check your automation deletion. If you're going to drop them in the trash, look in the trash every now and then, make sure there's nothing in there that you don't expect to be in there. If you're going to archive it, which means it's going to go out of your inbox and stay in all mail. Again, look in there and make sure what's in there is what you expect as well. Measure for what you expect. And if it doesn't work, correct it and just simply go edit your filter, which is right here. Settings, see all settings, filter and blocked addresses, and there it is right there. And if that is wrong, you have to hit the edit pencil and you can revise it a little bit more to make it right. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I love automatically deleting messages, but I want to make sure I delete the right ones.